How to fix TikTok favorite sounds not showing. In this video, I will guide you step by step if your favorite sounds are missing on TikTok. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store. Now search TikTok. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next thing you want to do is simply open the TikTok app. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Head over to your profile. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Now we want to get to the section of Free Up Space. Select that. Here, tap on Clear next to Cache. Tap on Clear. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes slow or unstable connection stops sounds from loading. If sounds are still missing, try logging out and logging back into your account. This refreshes your saved data and can make your favorite sounds reappear. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.